In this video, we will learn how to insert a scatter diagram for a bivariate data set containing an independent variable x and independent variable y. So here is my data set. I will select the data. Then I will go to insert. I will click on this insert scatter or bubble chart. I will click on the drop down arrow. I will select this. So my scatter diagram appears here. Now I will put the axis title and chart title in the scatter diagram. So I will click on this. I will select axis title. Then I will have to give the chart title. I will select here and then I will type it here as scatter diagram showing the relationship between water in inches and yield in tons. Then I will put the axis title. I will click here and I will type it here. My x-axis is water in inches, and I will go to the y axis. I will click on here and I will type yield in tons. So this is my scatter diagram. I can enlarge it. Then I will fit a regression line and equation to the scatter. So what I will do, I can click on here and I can select trend line. Then I will click on this arrow. Then I will go to more options. This window appears. I will select linear and then I will select display equation on chart and display r squared value on chart. So now I can close this. Now again I can enlarge this diagram. So this is my regression equation, that is y equal to 0.1029x plus regression coefficient is 3.9943, and this is my r square value. It is the coefficient of determination. This is one way of fitting a regression equation and line to the scatter. Another way is that I will just undo this. Now I will just select the scatter with the left click, then I will right click, then I will go to add trend line. Again that window appears. Linear, then I will go to display equation on chart and display r squared value on chart. So this is another way of fitting a regression equation line to the scatter. So this is my scatter diagram with the regression line and equation fitted to the scatter. There are two ways of finding a regression equation and line to given scatter. So by following these two ways, we can find a regression equation and line to a bivariate data set containing an independent variable and a dependable variable.